Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about where you can find the new island in Palworld. In order to do so, here we are in Palworld, and as you can see, the new island is off there in the distance. So in order to get there, we do need a flying mount, and in this case, I have the Nightwing. I have a saddle on the Nightwing, so you're going to need to do that with at least one mount that can fly. Nightwing is probably going to be your best bet. And here is the nearest fast travel point. So taking a look at the map, you can see that we are at the beach of Everlasting Summer. And this is where the original base is, where we started. So it is going to take a little bit of doing before you can get to the point to where you can get to the island. It is here for me. I'm at level 20. So it's going to be at least to level 20 that it's going to take you in order to be able to get the mount for the Nightwing and also get far enough in the game to unlock the fast travel point and be able to get to the island. So once we get to that point, then we can go ahead and set off. Now, keep in mind the Nightwing is going to run out of stamina if you try to rise too high. However, if you just stay low to the ground, then you can essentially just hover over the water, and that is how you can reach the island. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.